today I'm going to be interviewing the YouTube legend Squadding Quads.
So thank you very much, Little Wonder, for joining us on the channel. And for anybody who wonders who Little Wonder FPV is, let's have a brief reminder of his best bits.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
So Little Wonder has just flown his first digital quad ever, and on his very first fly he's benched it in the middle of the tree. I'm not quite sure how we're going to deal with this. Okay, over to Little Wonder.
Okay, so question number one. Squads, what got you into YouTube?
So what got me into YouTube? Well, I started flying drones again in 2020 in about December time, maybe November time. And it was initially just a way of me recording my progress because I wasn't very good at flying, and it was somewhere to store the footage and just have a look back at. And if I did something good one day, I'd watch it a couple of times with a nice little musical tune to it. And that was it really. And it sort of snowballed and spiraled since then.
Okay, so question number two. Loads of people leave comments saying, why do you wear a mask? Why is that?
Ah, the mask. That's a very good question. I've been called an international war criminal, a man of mystery, Tyson Fury, to name just a few things. The truth of the matter is, part of it is to create a talking point, because we're only a small channel when you compare us to Bardwell, to Mads Tech, to Captain Drone. We're tiny, and what we have to do is we have to do things differently. So I create characters. We've got coming up in the next few days, Learning with Babushka, and that's going to be a series. We've got the Aussie guy. We've got this, whatever this is. I don't know what this is. And we just try and create a few characters, provide you with a bit of light entertainment as we do the serious reviews. Because when I first started the channel, when I first started getting serious, we had to build and we had to grow. And we had to do that by sort of showing that we knew what we was talking about. And now you guys know what we're talking about. We can inject what is my personality and my sense of humour into the channel. And part of that is wearing a mask and learning with Babushka. Okay,
so question number three. Your flying skills are very good. How did you get so good?
Honestly, my flying skills are, some people say they're really, really good. I think there's always room for improvement, I've got to be honest. How did I get as good as I am today is a good question, and one that's actually quite simple. Practice. Like, it's the age-old story. The more you do something, the more you learn. And that is ultimately how I've got to the standard that I'm at today. I want to improve, so I keep practicing.
Okay, so some people call you a successful YouTuber. Do you see yourself as a successful YouTuber?
No, I wouldn't consider myself to be a successful YouTuber. YouTube doesn't make, at this level, anywhere near enough, in my opinion, to call yourself a success. That doesn't mean that I don't enjoy it. I really, really do enjoy it. I enjoy meeting people, talking to people, creating this content for you guys, doing a bit of light-hearted stuff and having a bit of a laugh. It's not at the level where it's serious. It's not at the level where it's a success. It's not at the level where it's retirement fund. But maybe one day, who knows?
Okay, so thanks for that answer. Where would you want to be in the next 3 years?
Where do I want the channel to be in 3 years? Honestly, I've got massive ambitions, and I think anybody who watches us regularly knows that I've got massive ambitions. I have to temper them a little bit because, and I'm honest about this, I'm truthful about this, I'm stood here with walking aids. I do have physical disabilities, mental disabilities, you know, and it's difficult to catch up with people who are able-bodied who have got 10 years experience on YouTube on me. But in 3 years time, I want to be up there with the big boys. And that is always and will always be the goal. Whether I achieve it or not is another story entirely.
Okay, so thank you for taking out your time today watching this interview. Quads, do I get extra pocket money for doing this?
Pocket money? Come here, you! So, this is Little Wonder, and I've been squadding quads. First of all, I want to thank Little Wonder for having the idea to interview me in the first place. I'm quite a shy, retiring person, as you all know, and it took a little bit of convincing, but if there's one person that can convince me, it's either BoyWonder FPV or Little Wonder FPV. So thank you very much, Little Wonder, for inspiring this video.
No problem.
Now, I've got a question for you, Little Wonder. You started flying just last year, you moved up from analog to digital really quickly, you haven't flown a lot since then. Do you want to be as good as me one day?
Yes.
And what's your ultimate aim in life? Do you want to become a YouTuber? Do you want to become a footballer? Or do you want to become squatting quads?
Squatting quads.
Peace out, everybody. Until next time. Goodbye.